One of the great things of having a really versatile piece of equipment like the Stratasys 450 is there's always new things to go try. We had a challenge a couple months ago where we were going to make a sheet metal part. Come to find out, very close to delivery, the tooling had been damaged and was no longer usable, and all of a sudden we had to figure out how we're going to make this part. My engineers sat down with the sheet metal fabricator, and in a couple of days, in one iteration, we printed a full-size forming tool out of the nylon 12CF. It was a lot of bets going on, I think, of whether it was going to work or not, but it worked fantastically first time. It allowed us to save a significant amount of time, and we did it very economically. It was a short-run job, so instead of spending a lot of money machining tool steel in a very complex geometry, we could print it and have the parts in a couple days. The best thing about additive manufacturing is part complexity does not affect either time or cost, which is a huge savings to us because it allows us to think really broadly about how we're going to approach a design.